Here we go. We're doing a little more on our black paper. This is more of the Carpenter Bee that we did 2 videos ago. So check it out. Alright, so here we have a test sketch where we can get our colors figured out. It's not sometimes the easiest thing to figure out what your colors are going to look like on black paper. So sometimes you have to do some kind of testing and see if the colors are going to actually match what you want them to do on your black paper, because black paper is a little different. So what I do, I take my printout and I do these little swaths across the top, and my pencil just broke in half. I've never had that happen. That's weird. And I start drawing the numbers that I think are going to correspond with the colors. Like 322 is going to be down in there. That is 322. Let me find 322. 326. 322. So there's 322. That's that color. I'm going to draw it down in here and see how that's going to go. Now my finished piece, this is not obviously my finished piece. This is going to be my finished piece down here. So not all of these lines are necessarily 100% correct. But it's a good idea to go through this and do exercises like this, because there's certain things that you could think are going to look good, and you don't want to just dive in on your finished piece without having done some testing. So this is the test, and I'm going to just continue on. We got lots of different things to work on here. We worked on some eyes a little bit ago. I worked on the forehead. I also realized that since I marked this out with a white colored pencil, there's a lot of areas that I'm going to need to have dark black where I'm not going to put any color, and I did the white too thick. So that's why it's good to have this test too. And it's nothing wrong with doing several renditions of a picture. You know, every time you do it, you're going to just get better and better and better and better and better. So here we go. Let's do some color testing. Here you go, guys. Bam. Now obviously it's not finished, but it's not supposed to be finished. It's a color test swath, and I pretty much got my colors figured out of what I want to do and what I'm going to use. And so I will move on to the finished piece for the next video, and it's going to be the actual Carpenter Bee. Thank you guys very much for watching. I really appreciate everybody who's subscribed and liked my videos. Thank you guys very much. They're very fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoy them too.